Hello friends, welcome to my kitchen. Today I'm gonna share with you a banana bread recipe that I am making. I found the recipe online and I decided I'm gonna give it a try. So welcome and check it out together. The recipe calls for 2 eggs, 35 grams of brown sugar. I had to use a kitchen scale. White sugar 100 grams, 2 bananas that are mashed up. Ask for 60 grams of milk, flour, all-purpose flour 200 grams, and in the flour I added a half teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, a half teaspoon of baking soda, and then it also calls for some sunflower oil, which was about 110 grams. I'll post the recipe down as well as where I originally got the recipe. And then I'll add some chocolate chips on top of my little banana bread pan that I'm using. The recipe calls for 200 grams for 17 minutes. But when you mix everything, they recommend that you let the batter sit for 30 minutes. I happen to have a KitchenAid mixer, so that's what I'm gonna use to mix. And here we go. I'm gonna put my sugars first, mix them with the oil. Yep. You just mix it enough until the flour is mixed up. Don't over mix it. And then I'm gonna take a spatula. I'm gonna go around the bowl. I'll let it rest for 30 minutes and then I will bake it. Then we'll see what we get. Please remember to like my video, subscribe, share. Appreciate it. Thank you. Gonna give it 30 minutes to rest. Then I will preheat my oven to 200 degrees and we'll bake it for 17 minutes and we see the final product. And right before I put it in the oven, I'm gonna sprinkle it with some of that chocolate chips on top. Just going by the recipe and then we see what comes out of it. I hope you like it. I hope you enjoyed the video today. I'll show you the end product. So the banana bread is done. So when I put it at 200 degrees, I noticed after 17 minutes, my banana was not cooking or had not been done. So I ended up increasing my temperature to 350. I put it in for like about 15 more minutes. And here's the final result. Looks yummy. I'll wait it to cool before I cut it out. Thank you for joining me as I show you how to make this delicious banana bread. The recipe will be posted down below. Don't forget to subscribe, like the video, and come back and we'll continue sharing different recipes as well as different topics. My name is Martha. Until next time, bye-bye. This was stinking delicious. My butter is not melted. This is so delicious. It's moist. As you can see. Very yummy. Thanks for hanging out with me today. Bye-bye. This is how I check if it's done. If I poke it and it comes out clean, it's complete.